Auditing one real sign-up form from scratch, fixing every issue. This series covered one at a time, with a Lighthouse rescan and a screen reader announcement after every fix. The real starting point: a div instead of a heading, no real label, and a clickable div instead of a button. Every single mistake from this series in one place. Before fixing anything, this real automated scan genuinely establishes the actual starting accessibility score. Fix number 1, a real heading, giving the page a genuine, navigable structure from the very first element. Fix number 2, a real, properly linked label, a genuine matching ID for pair, so a screen reader can now actually announce the field's purpose. Fix number 3, the real, correct input type, email genuinely brings up the actual right mobile keyboard and enables real built-in browser validation. Fix number 4, aria described B genuinely connects the real helper text to the field, so a screen reader announces it right after the label. Still broken, this real clickable div is genuinely invisible to keyboard tab order and screen readers. It isn't a real interactive element at all. Fix number 5, a real button, genuinely focusable and keyboard activatable with zero extra code, the exact fix this series covered for fake clickable elements. Still broken, this real button now exists structurally, but its actual text contrast against the background genuinely fails WCAG. Fix number 6, real, verified WCAG contrast on the button's text against its background, checked with the real DevTools color picker from earlier. This real, hands-on keyboard-only test genuinely confirms every actual interactive element can now be reached and activated without a mouse. This is what a real screen reader now genuinely announces: every single piece of information a sighted user gets, available out loud too. This is the real, final result, the exact same form, now genuinely passing every automated check this series has covered. That's the full series, from why accessibility matters to auditing a real, complete form yourself.